The old clockmaker. In a bustling town, an old clockmaker named Mr. Harmon was famous for his ability to repair any clock. People from all around would bring their broken clocks to him. He would work with quiet patience, bringing each one back to life. A young apprentice once asked him, "What's the secret to fixing something so delicate?" Mr. Harmon replied, "Each clock has its own story, and each piece has a role to play. The trick is to respect every tiny part, even if it seems insignificant. Take your time, and the clock will tell you what it needs." The apprentice watched in awe as the clockmaker worked, amazed by the care he took with each cog and spring. Over time, the apprentice learned that true craftsmanship wasn't about speed, but about respecting every detail and listening closely. Mr. Harmon's lessons stayed with him. Sometimes, the smallest details hold the key to making something work.